Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Honda Ridgeline RTL-E. And give it a listen, super smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. I like this vehicle because it is a very well thought out vehicle. You do have LED headlight surrounds, fog lights, painted alloy rims. I have a bed cover, and I have the trunk open. Yes, this truck has a spare tire in the trunk. See that it's quite deep. And there is the bed. It does have a tow package on this vehicle. Sliding back window, luggage rack. You have black leather seats. You also have a sunroof. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. You have driver presets, 2 of them. There's your econ and your lane and parking guides. Go ahead and show you the mileage. It's at 26,220. You have a heated steering wheel, heated seats. Here is your stereo and trip computer interfaces and also your push to talk. We have our audio off right now for the purposes of this video. For your sources, you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. You can also hook up your iPod or auxiliary. Jump over to map. Is a nice big GPS screen. Okay, truck bed audio, let's see. But those are your apps. Okay, so I'm sorry, my fingers are cold because it's very cold outside. You also have the driver and passenger comfort controls. You have heated seats on both sides of the front. Come up here, you're going to have your standard map reading lights. And then you've got your sunroof that I won't open because it's really cold today. So, that about wraps it up for this Honda Ridgeline. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front. Got more information on that in the Carfax. You can talk to your salesperson and they can send that over to you. As you can see, we've got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.